to make a paper clown. You need a sheet of paper, a colored wax crayon, colored paper, scissors, glue, red crepe paper,
felt tips. Step number 2.
Make the square colored sheet. Fold the short side onto the long side. Cut the remaining part to form a triangle. Open the triangle. Now it's a square and it has got a diagonal crease. Color one side of your square with the wax crayon. Is the diagonal still visible? Fold it again.
Step number 3.
Prepare the hat. Turn your square on the white side. Fold one side onto the diagonal. Fold the other side onto the diagonal. Fold one small corner up. Fold another small corner up.
Step number 4.
Decorate your clown. Now draw the eyes, the mouth. Smile. Cut 3 circles and stick them on the hat. Cut the orange hair like a cloud and stick them on the left and on the right. Prepare a paper nose with a crepe paper and stick it on the clown's face. Your clown is ready.